In this video after Python math, we will talk about Python JSON file. We said a JSON, that in local language we call JSON, is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. It's syntax when we, for example, want to store any exchange data. JSON is a text written in JavaScript. Object notation. It is written in object-style Java notation. Python has a built-in package called JSON. So import, first step is JSON. That's the first step that we can work on JSON data. You can parse JSON from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON, you can parse it to JSON.load to Python. For example, there is some JSON, and then we say, for example, in this case, what we have to do, y is equal to JSON.load x and print data. For example, JSON is a JavaScript something file. X is equal to some JSON file. It has name. The name is John. It has age. The age is 30, and it has city. The city is New York. After that, we talk about y is equal to, when we want to pass it, JSON dot loads of x, and then print y of what? H. There is always that 30 is printed. Convert from Python to JSON. That JSON.dumps is used to, we say, for example, this. So it is not really important. So we said that JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging any data. We use the JSON. There is a built-in JSON keyword. So a JSON function, the built-in function, is in Python. Then we say Python RegEx. RegEx, regular expression, is a sequence of characters that form a search pattern. For example, can be used to check if a string contains specified search pattern or not. So what we have to do, import RE mean regular expression, and we say, for example, search the string to see if it starts with the and Spain and end with Spain or not. TXT, so we have some text, the rain in Spain, and then x is equal to re dot search. What we have to search in here, that it starts with the, then there is a lot of other text, and end with Spain, and with Spain, and we say $, and txt. So in txt, search that if it starts with the, there's a lot of other words, and then end with Spain. Yeah, it does. txt, and then print x. So Spain match, it is match. The rain in Spain, it is match. But if, for example, it is this the, so what will return? None. It's not match in this case. So regular expression is something like that. Regular expression function, the RE modulo, for a set of functions that allow us to search for a string, find all, search, split, find all, return the list containing all matches. Whatever matches is there, it will return all. Search, return a math object. There's an object if there is a match in even the string, so the match object will be returned, that like in the previous example where a match returned. Split, return a list where the string has been split at each match and replace one of the many things. Meta characters are created with special meanings. They are created special meaning. For example, this character mean it's a set of characters. Example, for example, from A to M. This special